Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again with another video. Another one. Alright, guys, this time it's going to be on the Dollar Tree Select Choice Chewy Honey and Oats and Honey granola bars. Another one of my favorite snacks. Try these out, guys. I never had these before, this particular brand. The Select Choice. It's here now with 6 bars. So y'all know I be doing a little Dollar Tree shopping, snacking. You know, who don't like those cheap snacks, man? You know, we just lay back and snack at times, you know, how we do. But yeah, here we go, man. Had to give it a try. Like I said, 6 in here. And for those of you who want to know the nutritious facts, the nutrition facts here says 1 bar is 100 calories, total fat 22 grams, 2 grams, saturated fat 0.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, total carbohydrates 19 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, sugars 7 grams. So 7 grams of sugar ain't too bad. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. That's what we need. We don't like a snack with a whole lot of sugar in it, you know. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside here. Y'all can pick that up from your Dollar Tree, and I'm going to see what it tastes like. Come in little wrap packages like these. Little chrome wrap. Let's tear them over. Also had a s'more can too. Don't know what it tastes like. Never had this brand before. Alright, guys, what it look like close up. I'm gonna bring it in. Y'all go and get a bite. Go and grab a bite. Get your bite. Get your bite. Go ahead. Before I take mine. Alright, here we go. Let's take mine. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna let you know what they're working with. Not bad. Sweet. I get the honey. Got like crispy cereal up in here. It's good. Crunchy. Good. It kind of tastes in between a Rice Krispie. If this crazy. In between a Rice Krispie and a granola bar. I guess that's crazy. It is a granola bar, but kind of got a Rice Krispie, like a Rice Krispie type taste to it. That's good. Real good. Good for you too. All them oats. It's pretty good. By eating this, you'll think it got more sugar than what it have. Because it actually tastes sweeter than 7 grams of sugar. Let's keep it real. It tastes sweeter. You know, it tastes like it got 15 grams of sugar. But it don't. That's a good thing. It's good. Taste the honey. I guess all that sweetness is coming from the honey. Very good. I didn't think it would be this good, but it is. pretty good. Okay. On a scale 1 through 5, the honey taste, the texture, got a Rice Krispies taste a little bit. That being said, I give it a 5 out of 5. These babies is the bomb. They delicious, 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 delicious. Delicious. 5 out of a 5, guys. These are delicious. It's the Select Choice Dollar Tree Chewy Oat and Honey. Give them a try when you're in your Dollar Tree, because they the bomb. They delicious. Alright? So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Share my videos with your family and friends. Till next time, man, y'all get these up. They the bomb. They good. And I'm out of here. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.